As you probably just got done watching the exciting video of the Harbor Promenade, let's do a quick pit stop for some breakfast. Breakfast at a French restaurant, Pastis. The word pastis is a spirit that originated from back in the 1930s from France. This is a favorite spot for many promenade attendees enjoying a scrumptious breakfast / brunch. When the weather is appealing, a great spot to enjoy this French atmosphere is overlooking the seaside with elegant decor. The modern French bistro has its quality at the forefront in every aspect. Main dishes, side dishes, wine and cocktails. The French-inspired food is guaranteed to make you want to come back. Pastis is one of Oslo's favorite breakfast restaurants. Opens at 8 in the morning during the week and 9 on the weekends. The menus are quite great and they are in English as well. So let's check out the menu. This is our very first restaurant that we actually sat down and enjoyed on our vacation to Norway. Well, Levi and Isabella, what are you hungry for? I decided to get the French breakfast, which consisted of a croissant, baguette, cheese, ham with jam. 148 Norwegian crown, which translates to roughly 15 bucks. Here comes our waitress. Let's put in our order. Let's try not to have our mouth watering as we let her know what we want.
Eggs Benedict.
Yeah.
But can I have it with gluten-free bread?
Yes, eggs Benedict.
French breakfast for you?
Would you like something to drink?
We're water people.
Water people? Okay, yeah.
Thank
Do
you.
you have lemons?
Lemons?
We can squeeze in our water?
Yes, of course. I can get you some lemons.
Now, is that a normal thing here?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now that we enjoyed that wonderful and elegant breakfast that satisfied our palate till lunchtime, we are going to take ourselves a walk to finish this journey up the promenade on our way to the Oslo City Hall. Give us a thumbs up as you leave this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on the City Hall and all the other wonderful videos of our experiences while here in Norway.